Hey Divi Nation, thanks for stopping by our documentation area to learn all about our mobile customizer settings. So Divi's mobile customizer settings, which are within the theme customizer settings, allow you to create certain global styles for mobile all in one place. So there's lots of places throughout the Divi theme using our mobile views that you can create mobile settings, but this allows you to create global mobile settings that will kind of give you a leg up when you're designing for mobile throughout your site, so that all the obvious stuff are already taken care of. And we're going to get into what exactly those things are in this video and show you how to customize them. So check it out.
In this video, I'll be giving a basic overview of the Divi mobile customizer settings. The Divi mobile customizer can be found within the theme customizer, and it allows you to adjust the font sizes and the spacing specifically for your different mobile devices like a tablet and a smartphone. So to find your mobile customizer settings, you would, from your WordPress dashboard, go to your sidebar there and find it under the Divi section. So hover over Divi and then click on Theme Customizer. Then once your theme customizer shows up in the left here in the sidebar, you'll find all of the options listed, and you would need to click on the spot called Mobile Styles. Click on that and you can see that your screen over here has already changed to a tablet view of your site, and you can actually scroll through it just like you can a live site to see how your website will look on tablet. Now this view will toggle between tablet and phone if you have whichever settings you're using at the time. So if I click on phone, it'll shrink down to the size of a phone viewport here, and then if I click back on tablet, it'll go to tablet. And so let's look at some of the settings you have available to you in the mobile customizer here. I'm in the tablet section, and I have some options to change the section height, row height, body text size, and header text size. Now there's not a whole lot of options here because really what you're looking for to accomplish is to make sure that your overall feel and spacing and text sizes are looking good on mobile devices. You already have within Divi a responsive grid that's going to adjust to your mobile devices already. This allows you to further customize those the way the text and the spacing looks on your site. So it's very helpful to have these features here. So if I just scroll down, you can see that section height, this purple area here is a new section. So if I wanted to change the height to something greater here, you can see that that's increased. Also, if I wanted to change the row height, the spaces between each of these rows, that'll give me a little bit more spacing as well. As you can see that right there, it's giving me more space between the rows. I can change body text size. I could change the size of my headers. Maybe that's too small, even for a tablet. I can go ahead and make that bigger. Let's go back and let's look at what the phone settings are like. As you can see, that's kind of similar. In fact, it's got the same settings there, but since it's a phone, you probably would want to decrease your section height maybe to something smaller. So there's not all that space you got to scroll through to get to the next section. Decrease the row height. And let's change our text, or our header text as well. Something like that. So as you can see, yeah, that's looking pretty good. Things are more compact. for mobile. Let's go back, and the last group of settings here is for your mobile menu. You may not know this, but you can right here customize the look of your mobile menu. One feature you may like is the ability to hide the logo on mobile. You could also change the way the text color looks, or change your text color here. That'll change also the icon color and your search icon color. And then the background color of your mobile menu here. Maybe you need to change that. All right. Go back to default there. All right. And there's your overview of the Divi Mobile Customizer.